So I saw a lot of people asking for a tutorial on how I managed to run Unity on my PS Vita. And I saw the same people also asking me if it was using PlayStation Mobile Development System for Unity. No, it's not. It's actually running natively on the Vita. So that's good and bad because it's bad because, well, we don't have PlayStation Mobile Homebrew yet. But it's good because, well, we don't have to go through PlayStation Mobile to run Unity. So yeah. So basically what I had was actually a .vpk of an actual Unity game running my own custom Unity crap. And the way I did that was because I recently yeeked Unity for PS Vita from SIE DevNet, and if you combine that with the yeeked SDK and some software I wrote, you can actually pack a Unity game into a .vpk and have it run on an Henkaku-enabled PS Vita. In the description there'll be a pastebin, and in that pastebin you'll see a bunch of Unity builds. You want to choose any Unity build that is for SDK 3.550. You need to use 3.550 because that is the only Vita SDK that has been yeeked. So once you choose whatever version you want, just download every single file related to it. There should be 4 of them, and be sure to install them as well once they're done. Fair warning, the Unity download manager can take a long time to finish installing, like legit, it takes forever. Like it took me like 2 hours. So yeah, just keep that in mind. The Unity download manager takes a while. The actual Unity setup.exe, that's a bit quicker, and the PlayStation Vita integration is like pretty much instant. So yeah, just keep that in mind. The Unity download manager takes a while to finish installing all stuff, but you need everything installed for Unity to work. So, while we're doing that install, you should really download the PS Vita 3.550 SDK. So to do that, go to the link in the description, and it will take you to a Google Drive page, much like the one I'm on right now. And basically, you'll want to go in, and you'll want to click download, and then wait for that to download. And yeah, so go do that. You need to download TM server and connection tools, so there's a link in the description to that. It's a .zip file. Once it's downloaded, extract it and install everything. Finally, download and install publishing tools or MSI. Again, link is in the description. The SDK finishes downloading, extract it anywhere you want. It's extracted, go right click on this PC and go properties. This window will come up. You want to go to Advanced System Settings, and then to Environment Variables, and go Add. And the name is on the pastebin. If you scroll down towards the bottom underneath Installation Guide, it's called SCE PSP2 SDK though. You want to browse to a directory, and you want to choose the folder where your SDK is located, like so. This is SCE root though. If you already installed the publishing tools, chances are it's already here. If it hasn't, just add it anyway. The path and the name is in the pastebin. Set up Unity as usual by signing into your Unity account and clicking sign in. However, once you reach the license screen, just grab the license from the pastebin and copy and paste its key into a Unity and click next. This will activate it, and then when I ask you to retrieve it, there's just a survey. You can fill it out if you want, but I just skipped it. So say you make a game in Unity and you want to export it to the Vita. Well, that's actually really easy to do thanks to a little piece of software made called Unity Tools. Link is in the description. You just download it, put it somewhere, and yeah, it'll basically just work. So yeah, so basically the first thing you want to do is you want to go into Unity and go File, Build Settings. And then you're going to want to go PS Vita and switch to the platform, and then you want to go to build type PC hosted, and you want to uncheck everything. So no explicit null checks, do not make a development build, and do not compress the PSAlk. So like this, it needs to look like this. Okay, and then just click build. And then choose somewhere to put it. So I'm just gonna put mine on the desktop if I can access it. I'm gonna put mine on the desktop. I'm going to call it test game 1, just because it's this test. So once you've built that, you want to find where your built project is, and it's just really simple. You want to take your built project, you want to drag and drop it onto Unity Tools like this, and then the command line will pop up. You'll see some things you'll see some text on screen, and it will begin packing it into a .vpk file for you. You can see here I've got right here testgame1.vpk. It's packaging all of the files into a VPK right now. So just wait for that to finish. And there you go. You can run this on your you could run this testgame1.vpk on your PS Vita, and it would run the game just fine. So that is how you run Unity games on your PS Vita. Bit of a long tutorial, but a lot of people wanted to see how it's done. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.